Mm.
Hi guys, look what Daddy got me. This is one of the things that I ever wanted, you know. It's open. Yeah. Bubble.
Yes. Here pa, ito pa. May this side. We will cut. Hold mo. Mm. Okay, what is that?
It's a chess.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
Let's see how to. Oh, here. 3-in-1.
Mm-hmm. See the box here. No, don't break it. Flip.
That.
And then open. And then pull. Wow. Oh, so nice. Can you turn around? I can see. Wow. Oh, why do you know why? Why is it 3-in-1? Because you can have this game too.
Oh,
This one.
and also you can put this on here, on the here.
No, this is for this game. And this is here. I'll teach you how to play this.
If it says 3-in-1, then why is it just two?
I don't know. I don't know which one for the 3. Well, I can teach you how to play this. And Daddy can teach you how to play this.
Great.
Yeah, you can ready. So you guys later play with Daddy, okay?
What
are you gonna say to Daddy?
Thank you, Daddy. Love you.